Hey folks, it's Chad here at Stouffville Toyota. Another beautiful trade-in to show you. It's a 2017 RAV4 LE. You see it's the black exterior, has the black cloth interior. The car shows very well. In the back here, as I mentioned, it is the LE package. So you get two sets of mats with the vehicle. You get the carpeted mats, the rubber mats are in there. You do have the cargo tray as well. Seats fold down 60-40 split. With the rear view camera. You can see it's very clean inside and out. And I get you a little bit more information. You can hear the sound system works great. So the vehicle itself has 78,000 kilometers. So it's in great shape inside and out. The LE is well equipped, heated seats, Bluetooth, rear view camera. Why don't you come on in, take it out for a test drive? You could send me an email, chad@stouffvilletoyota.ca, and we'll set up a time to do that.